Shortly after India lost 7 wickets in 20.4 overs and handed the Melbourne Test to Australia, head coach Gautam Gambhir addressed the entire squad in the dressing room. He began by stating "bahut ho gaya," which translates to "I've had enough." Without naming individuals, Gambhir emphasized that the players were prioritizing their so-called natural game over playing according to the situation. So let's dive deep into what exactly he said in this Express exclusive. Gambhir, who assumed the role of head coach on July 9, shared his frustration about letting the team operate on its own terms for the past 6 months. He stated that going forward, he would decide the team's approach. In what appeared to be a warning, Gambhir indicated that players who do not adhere to the team's strategy would not be a part of the setup. India trails 1-2 in the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy, making it difficult for the team to qualify for the World Test Championship final. According to sources, Gambhir discussed the disparity between individual intent and the team's collective interests. He pointed out how players have not been following the discussed game plans. Gambhir specifically addressed the poor performance of the batting lineup, which has been under scrutiny since the home series against Bangladesh in September. Examples were cited, including Virat Kohli chasing a wide ball just before lunch on the final day of the Melbourne Test, Rishabh Pant's dismissal from risky shots in both innings, Rohit Sharma's struggle with form and questionable shot selection, and Yashasvi Jaiswal's ill-timed pull shot. These movements contributed significantly to the team's collapse. Sources also reported that the atmosphere in the dressing room has been less than ideal, with tensions present since before the first test of the series. Gambhir reportedly advocated for the inclusion of Cheteshwar Pujara, an experienced test specialist, but selectors declined the request. Even after India's victory in the Perth Test, Gambhir raised the issue of Pujara's exclusion. The team's transitional phase has added complexities, with individual ambitions creating challenges for the squad. Rohit Sharma, the designated captain, joined the tour midway through the first test, which left room for other players with leadership ambitions to assert themselves. Reports suggest that Rohit may consider stepping down after the tour. A senior player has reportedly been positioning himself as a temporary leader, expressing skepticism about the younger players' readiness to take on leadership roles. Meanwhile, decision-making within the team has become more centralized. Gambhir's selection of players such as Harshit Rana and Washington Sundar for the first test were reportedly not unanimous decisions. Questions have been raised about their effectiveness, particularly considering Akashdeep was overlooked for the pink ball test. Rohit Sharma's struggle with form have also been highlighted. Known for his meticulous pre-game planning and individual interactions with players, Rohit has reportedly been unable to maintain this level of engagement on this tour. Criticism has extended to the support staff chosen by Gambhir. Sunil Gavaskar publicly questioned the roles of individuals like Abhishek Nair, asking if their contributions were substantial enough to justify their positions. Ravichandran Ashwin's mid-tour departure added to the intrigue, while Ashwin later played down the situation. His father's statement about potential humiliation raised eyebrows. Despite the internal challenges, the team has reached the final test in Sydney with a chance to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy should the series end in a 2-2 draw. This reflects individual brilliance and desire to perform, though it also underscores the team's tendency for self-destructive movements. While Gambhir's tough stance may help address immediate issues, long-term solutions will require a balanced approach to foster harmony within the team.